An avatar without a brand is a face that posts videos. An avatar with a brand is a recognizable identity people follow, trust, and buy from. This lesson covers the visual and verbal identity layer that turns the first into the second. The brand identity stack, 6 elements. Every avatar brand needs logo, wordmark, your name in a recognizable typeface, color palette, 3 primary colors, 2 accent colors, used consistently, typography, 1 display font, 1 body font, used everywhere. Visual style, the look of every thumbnail, image, and video verbal identity. Phrases the avatar uses again and again. Audio signature, intro/outro music or sound effects. Optional but powerful. Logo design, you don't need a designer. For an AI influencer, a clean wordmark of the avatar's name in a strong font is plenty. Tools, Canva, Luca, or Midjourney with a logo prompt. Style, simple, readable at 64 by 64 pixels, because that's profile picture size. Avoid generic startup-style logos, the swooshes, leaf icons, gradient circles. They look like every other Fiverr brand. Color palette, pick a palette that matches your niche. Finance leans navy, green. Beauty leans warm pastels. Fitness leans bold, contrasting. Faith leans soft, warm. Pops on dark backgrounds. Most users now use dark mode. Has at least 1 high contrast color for CTAs and captions. Pro tip: use coolors.co to generate a 5-color palette in 30 seconds. Lock the 1 color you want to anchor everything around, often a brand-defining accent. Then generate harmonious palettes around it. Typography, 2 font system, display font, for hooks, captions on video, thumbnails, something with personality. Bebas Neue, Anton, Montserrat Bold. Body font, for everything else. Inter, Roboto, Open Sans, use them everywhere. Same fonts on Instagram captions, YouTube thumbnails, your website, your email signature. Repetition is recognition. Visual style. This is what makes your account scrollable in a feed of 100 other accounts. Define, caption position. Always top? Always center? Always bottom third? Caption color. Same colors every time, with same accent for emphasis. Background style. Same setting every video, or rotating among 3 settings? Avatar wardrobe. 3 to 5 signature outfits, rotated. Example: MrBeast's brand stack, red and black, sans serif bold caps for thumbnails, exaggerated facial expressions, recurring number callouts. I gave $10,000 to. Every video looks like an MrBeast video before you click. That's the goal. Verbal identity. Catchphrases, 1 signature greeting and 1 signature sign-off. Used in every video. Examples: hey there, marketers. Opening, stay sharp, stay weird. Closing, 3 things you need to know. Format hook. That's it. That's the lesson. Episode ender. It feels cheesy at first. After 50 videos, audiences expect them, and they reinforce brand recognition every single time. Intro. Outro branding. A 1-second logo flash at the start and end of every video. That's it. Don't make a 5-second cinematic intro. It kills retention. Just a quick brand stamp so the algorithm and the audience both register the source. Brand style guide. Create a 1-page document with logo files, PNG transparent, JPG, SVG, hex codes for all 5 brand colors, font names with download links, avatars' signature greetings and sign-offs, 3 signature wardrobe descriptions for image generation, sample thumbnail and Instagram post layouts. Use this guide every time you create content. It enforces consistency without requiring you to remember every detail. Action step. Build your 1-page brand guide today. Save it in the same folder as your avatar image library. Every script, video, and post going forward should reference it.